من الرأي سكواني لهاي ويبوها إنجليز كواريني unite we strong ور أن مدونو أن إسكدوبنا نوي مركز حقوق الإبانة معناه شو ويبوها هدي لنا إسكدوبنا إنه تفرق نقال ويبوها divide and rule ولا كيف سده وأنا نيتام هذا سمك ولا ليه الويسين كل تالي لهاي دتك إسكهاي سدو ولا إسن هاي تام لم بيلو
You look changed, man. How is the life in the city?
Nothing has changed, man.
How do you see this for so long time?
No change. It's just the same like olden days.
But you look changed, man.
Where you can't even see. That's the way it is.
No, man. You are not the same like. Oh,
What is this?
this
I'm sorry.
stupid girl.
Look, what is this?
I just pressed the sign.
Are you blind? What have you done? What have you done now?
I'm sorry, I just.
Sorry, what? You can't see people walking?
I'm sorry.
This.
You. Look at you. Just walking. You don't even see the ground?
I just twisted my hand.
This
What?
mannerless Somali girl. Let's do that.
Wait a minute. Let's just go. Leave her. Leave him.
But look what she has done. Hey,
Let's go. Let's go.
have manners. Stupid.
They are always stupid.
Hey. Let's go. We are late for game. The game is going to kick off any time now.
You have to go. I'm coming.
But why?
Don't worry about it. Go and book for me the seat.
Okay, I'll wait for you.
No, you don't have to worry. I'll get you. Go and book for me the seat. I'm coming.
Okay, I'm done.
Hey, sorry. Let me assist you.
No, you're just making fun of me and you want to help me now.
Sorry.
No, thank you. It's okay.
Let me just assist you, please. Don't worry. Calm down. Sorry. Where is your home?
Just here.
Yes, yeah, or is it far?
No, it's just here.
Okay. I'm Lual. My name is Lual. So, are we almost reaching?
Yeah, I think I've reached my home. Thank you.
No, I can just take you until inside.
No, I'm okay. I'll just take it.
No.
No, thank you.
Will you be able?
Yeah, thank you.
See you.
Thank you.
Okay.
What are we doing with that black Sudanese boy?
I wasn't with anyone.
Don't lie to me. Let me see you again with that black Sudanese boy.
What? You are the mother of Lual.
Yes, I am.
Don't you see your son is walking around with my sister in the community?
I don't know what you are talking about.
And now you say you don't know what I'm talking about. You killed my father, now you want to marry my sister. It can't work. Wait and see.
Lual! Lual, come here.
What is it,
What
Mom?
is that boy talking about?
What is it, Mom?
Tell me the truth. Where you been seeing his sister?
Mom, I don't understand what they're talking about.
What is going on, my wife?
He came complaining that Lual is hanging around with his sister.
Lual,
Yes, Dad.
is it true?
Dad, it is not true.
Have you gone an extent talking with that Somali lady, the poor and useless family? Let the first and the last to hear such a rubbish. Are you listening to me?
Yes, Dad.
Go back to your room. Hey, Lual. I have a bag inside. There is envelope inside the bag. I want you to tomorrow to leave it. Don't lose it. This is very important.
Who's that?
It's a lot of money.
Give me some.
No, it's not yours.
You don't know the owner.
Do you know the owner?
We are poor. We should use the money.
So what? Just remember what Mom said.
Mom said what?
Just remember what Mom said.
If you don't give me that money, I'm not going to work with you.
Okay, just go ahead. Go ahead. See you. Excuse me. Have you dropped something?
I had an envelope, but I can't see it any longer.
Does it have a name or something that can prove it's yours?
Yes, of course. Lord dead.
I just found it an hour ago. You dropped it. It's yours.
Yeah, it is the one. Thank you.
Bye. I gotta go.
ما هذا يا أخي سيف كاين إلى سيف كاين
Hey!
هذا
What are you doing? You! Why are you disturbing us? What?
وربلتي قف كان ملو قبضان
Hey, what?
أو تانير كويك
Why are you disturbing us?
يسوق وقت تزدون وحتاي
Sorry.
It's okay. Thanks.
What did you want it?
Just Somali guy. They're like so. They just force you to.
They just talk. What?
They're like that. Thanks.
Come here, guys. Come here. Laugh at that.
What is it?
I'm another questions.
You come to Sudan, boy, you will know who you are today.
Today you know difference between Somali and the black Sudanese.
What is it? What do you want?
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Stop! Stop!
وصانا برنا صار.
أنا سكول ولا سؤال كسر ولا كنا غير كلامي.
Oh my God! Stop! 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 Stop!
وانا برنا سوي عقول على
Layla, my daughter.
Yes, Mom.
There is this rich man who wants to marry you, and he says he loves you from our tribe. And he says he loves you, and he promised us a lot. And I discussed with your brothers, and he accepted. What do you think?
Mom, you know that I don't want to get married. I have to finish my studies and think about marriage.
What is that are you talking about?
You know that I'm in school and I have to finish. And you always say that I must study hard and be someone in life. And you want to sell me out.
But if she gets married to a rich man, we'll be rich. Forget about school, man.
I don't want to get married and you all know that.
But you have.
Listen to her, Bana.
I don't want to get married. And I don't want.
Layla, come.
Hello, my sister. Love is a very important thing.
Thank God for giving us this opportunity.
It is really true. This is the day we have been waiting for.
Hey, my Baba.
Oh,
Come,
my son.
have a seat.
Oh, my son, where
Yes,
have you been? I didn't see you at home.
No, Dad, I'm just around. It is only that I used to be in my room.
Anyway, we have a very good news. I'm just from resettlement office. We shall be going to Australia in 3 days' time.
God has answered our prayers.
Yeah, this is the day we have been waiting for. Imagine for 20 years. And then now God have answered our prayer.
Son, why are you not happy?
No, Mom. I'm okay.
You should be happy more than that because this is the day we have been waiting for.
Where are you going?
Just sit. We did not finish the talk. Come.
Son, come back.
Okay.
I think he's not happy because he's going to miss his friends.
Yeah, I think so.
Today I have a news for you.
What is it, Lord, about?
My parents,
Parent?
yeah, they're getting married to an old man.
An old man? Getting married to an old man? What about me?
They say I should get married.
No. Did you accept it?
I don't want to get married to anyone.
That is good of you. But I also have the same bad news. My parents decided that we should get resettled. I don't know what to say.
Are you leaving me?
No, I can't leave you alone.
Please don't leave me.
I can't leave you. Yes. Yeah, I want you to come now. Yeah. Okay.
Hello? Yeah, Mom. Where's Mom? Okay, brother, I want you to come. The rock place. Please. Nothing. I just want you to come, please. Now.
It's really very disturbing. We don't know where he has gone now. You Somali. You come here again. You Sudanese people. I'm going to fight with you. You
fight me?
Yes.
It's good for you.
Fight me.
You
Fight you today.
You are the one who came to my home last time.
Keep quiet. I'm talking to the father.
You Somalia. Stop.
You black Sudanese man.
Silent. Stop
You
kill my father now. My woman, don't try to touch him. I will see you alive now. I will rape you now.
I need my son. Please, the only one son. The only son.
Stop fighting, please. What are you doing there?
What are you
What are you doing there?
Can you
Please
calm down?
calm down.
What are you doing with this such
black boy?
rubbish there?
Don't try to touch him. I will kill you.
I haven't warned you last time, my son. What are you doing there?
Please calm down. Calm down,
I
please.
love her.
You.
Please calm down.
Down. My sister.
You.
Is this where you go last year?
Don't jump, please. You call me
You.